Hey guys, welcome back to Learning Repo. Thank you everyone for the overwhelmed response for our first video. Today, I am excited to let you know about the Udemy free courses with certification. You can access the courses via the mentioned links in the description. So, without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Course 1. Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a widely used to create graphics, vectors, printed images, logo designs, graphs, and more designs. Course 2. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a widely used software application for video editing on Mac OS and Windows computers. Premiere Pro is used for editing videos, commercials, and other film, televisions, and online video. Course 3. Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects is a digital visual effect, motion graphics, and compositing application and used in the post-production process of filmmaking, video games, keying, tracking, compositing, animation, and television production. Course 4. Adobe Animate. Animate is used to design vector graphics and animation for the television programs, online video, websites, web applications, rich internet application, and video games. The program also offers support for raster graphics, rich text, audio, and video embedding, and action scripting. Course 5. Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing and typesetting software application produced by Adobe Systems. It can be used to create works such as posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, presentations, books, and ebooks. Course 6. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a critical tool for designers, web developers, graphic artists, photographers, and creative professionals. It is widely used for image editing, retouching, creating image compositions, website mockups, and adding effects. If you are willing to learn these courses, click on the mentioned links in the description, which are in the order way. These free coupons for these courses are expiring in a day, so do rush with it and get certified. If you guys like this video, make sure that you hit the like button and the subscribe button to get more updates.